Feeling tired from constantly hunting for popular sound effects? Don't stress about it anymore. Today, I will present to you the meme sound pack utilized by skilled creators, such as Fictic Edits and Heisty, all effortlessly compiled in one convenient location. Without wasting time, let's jump right into it.
Oh shit, here we go again.
Bruh.
Damn it! I can't move my body! Switch!
Let him cook! Let him cook now!
The preset link is in the description of this video, so essentially, that's all you need to know about it. If you happen to enjoy the preset, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. We truly appreciate your viewership.